Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. In today's video, I will show you the shortcut keys for Nokia 3310 mobile phone. So guys, the first shortcut key is about turning the light on. So you can see over here, there is a light on the Nokia 3310. If you want to turn it on, just you can see over here this top side of the ring. Okay, just press it 2 times. Okay, so I press it 2 times and then you can see the light is on. Okay, if you want to turn it off, just press it for 1 time and the light is off. Okay, the second key is about sending a new message. If you just want to write and you want to send a new message, instead of going into the menu and going through all the process, just use the shortcut key, which is the left side of this ring, so this side of your phone. So just press it 1 time and then it will open the new message option for you. You can type the number over here, you can write the message and then simply you can send it. Okay, the third shortcut key is if you want to go to your contacts. Okay, for the contacts, just press this downside of the this ring, just press it 1 time and it will take you to your contacts. Okay, so you can see over here all your contacts are showing. Now you can simply send a message or call them, whatever you want to do you can do. Okay, the fourth key is about if you want to go to your calendar. Okay, so how you can go to your calendar, simply just use this right side of this ring. Okay, and press 1 time and it will show you the calendar for you. So you can see over here, this is the calendar for your phone. Okay, so now if you want to quickly view your missed calls, your received calls. Okay, so you can see this downside of the left key, you can see over here, you can just press it and here you will see the details for your calls, whatever you receive, whatever you dial, all calls options are showing over here, all the details for the calls are showing over here. Okay, and now if you want to directly go to different settings option, go to different apps directly, you can select this go to option. Just press this left button but on the top side. Okay, so I just press it. Okay, and then you can see there is a different go to option. You can directly go to your calculator, photos, okay, torch, everything is available over here. You can also edit this, you can customize it as well. Okay, now if you want to turn on the camera, okay, directly turn on the camera, you have to press this top side of this button, the right button. Okay, you can just simply you can press it and then simply the camera will turn on. Okay, and now if you want to this check the volume, you want to raise the volume or you want to down the volume, you can just simply press this button over here. So just press it and then you can see over here there is a volume option. You can reduce it, you can make it higher. Then we also have the Bluetooth option and then we have the turn off phone option available over here as well. Okay, if you want to quickly check your voicemail box, so you can press this number 1 button for 3 seconds, keep pressing it and it will show you the voicemail in your phone, so you can check your voicemails as well. Okay, now if you want to go to the internet, okay, just press this 0 button. You see this 0 button over here, just press it for long time and it will open the internet for you. Okay, so you can see over here it is now connecting. Okay, so now you can use this button for connecting the internet, this 0 button. Okay, if you want to silent your phone, okay, if your phone is on general profile, you have all tunes on. If you want to make it silent, just use this hash button, press it for 30 seconds. This button, press it for 3 seconds, sorry, just press it for 3 seconds. Okay, and your profile will turn into the silent. Okay, and if you want to go back into the normal profile, just press it again for 3 seconds. It will go into the general profile. The general profile will be active. So this is how you can use the different shortcut keys for Nokia 3310 mobile phone, guys. So this is for today's video. I hope you liked the video. I hope you enjoy the video. So please do subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you very much.